Hey guys, this is I need to do a video because if I don't do a video, I'm not going to be able to open and use it. So here is my box. I'm sure you've seen the video of the box. And oh yeah, so the other day I thought, let me just open one of these, yeah. Guess what? I didn't even notice it said peachy Pisces. And guess what? I'm a cheeky Pisces. So I'm 24th of February and I opened this not knowing. I just said that basically. But yeah, don't watch my nails. Don't watch my nails. And yeah, so this is p.louise water. And I think this is quite good, yeah. You know there's certain things which are like placebo-y, yeah. Like this. I think it's just water or something. But it's not nothing really. But when I put it on, it just makes you feel like you're doing something kind to your skin. A little bit of luxury and for cheap. I got 3 of these for a tenner. No, for 20 quid. But as for weather is really hot or getting hot, when you're sitting in a park, going out, just spray this on your face. And it's really cute. Really, really cute. So I guess they're all the same, but maybe the packaging might be slightly different. So this says water spray. Well, orange ocean. And that says ocean orange. I didn't even know that they were like names. Love and lime. And I picked the one that said peachy Pisces without even knowing. Damn it. I'm not damn it. It's a good thing. But I'm just saying, look how. Anyway, so this is made by Mitchell. So this is not really supposed to be his video, is it? So here's what I got. Because they were having a sale. Buy 3 and then you pay a certain amount. And then on top of that, you got another discount on top. So I bought 6, fam. Did I buy 6? Nah, I bought 5. 1, 2. Hold on. 1, 2. Yeah, I bought 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I bought 5. Anyway, yeah. So this is what I got. I got to be fast because time's running out. Milking it. Sounds cute. Sounds cute. Oh yeah. So fondant Oreo. What flavour is that? Can't remember. Very cute. Very, very cute. I love this packaging. And I know like I'm paying for packaging more than I'm paying for product, but damn it. This is strawberry daiquiri. Have I got 2 strawberry daiquiris? Why have I got 2 strawberry daiquiris? Like, hello?